Hola. Bueno? I'm trying. I swear to God. Oh, shit. Pedestrians don't really have the right of way down here. These guys do. The motor coaches. That's who's got it. Stay the fuck off the road unless you want to get run down by the motor controls. Can't remember what this bar is called. One of the first ones I came to when I landed here, though. My chaperone brought me here, right across from the office that currently still employs me. Nelson Lounge and Bistro. Okay.
Hey, hon.
Head on a swivel. Head on a swivel. 24/7 down there, man. Well, in a strange turn of events, I seem to be on my way to a bar where DJ Blade is performing his set. Apparently, I've never seen it before. But I was at VIP the other night on my walk home from Spanky's, where I had my first buffalo chicken wings, breaded, deep fried, and no butter. But Frank's shaken in Frank's sauce. At least the bottle said Frank's. It tasted like Frank's. No butter. It's okay. They were delicious. Had a couple drinks at Checkpoint. It was Wednesday night. They have darts on Wednesday night at Checkpoint, and I did not play darts. My sciatic was inflamed. Today it seems pretty good. I don't like walking around like this. Actually, I don't like walking around recording because people can tell you're recording. I don't like asking for permission or talking to people while they're on camera, even though I've been doing it lately. Might make for good entertainment or TV or whatever, but it's awkward. It's fucking gay. This is the neighborhood. You probably can't see much. And like I said, in a strange turn of events, I'm out for a brisk walk. Well, I don't walk anywhere slow. But really, I got my groove on tonight. That's what a rum and coke will do to you down here. It's like fucking straight speed. You see this? Down on the main strip on a Friday night. I don't usually go out at night, but here we go. Is this MD? Oh, this is the new place. Okay. Enough of this. Yeah, enough of this. So, just to clear things up, I'll splice these two videos together. It's, I don't know, it's half an hour and a drink later. And the deal is that I am a fucking hopeless drug addict. So my addiction drives me from the house to the street to get my fix. And it ain't right. Because no one should be that fucking slaving to anything. There's Mo's Bar, MD, which is one of the first places George brought me to when I went down to George's Oasis Bar, who's misnamed George's Bar. There's an Oasis Bar, but a friend of his runs it. I'm gonna break an ankle fucking walking down the street. There's no crime here. I'm not worried about fucking getting rolled. but I could roll an ankle. Yeah, there's a joke in there somewhere. Anyway, so I don't know what time it is. It's 10 o'clock, 10:30, and I realize as I'm going through a Ozark bender, oh fuck, I couldn't even. I tried to turn off my phone. I turned off my phone. I shut the Netflix app, and it kept casting to the TV. I could not stop it. It's fucking, talk about a sickness and an addiction. Talk about a sickness and addiction. I've got a fucking Ozark problem. And this fucking place is rocking. It's the second time I walk by this. You think I'm going up and down the street looking for my truck. And I found them. 100 pesos. Super, whatever. Oh, un capital? ¿Qué pasa? Okay, where am I going? Oh, I'm going to this place, aren't I? Anyway. So, yeah, it's not as bad as you think, but it's pretty fucking bad. 100 pesos every day I gotta pay to stay on my crutch. And it ain't fucking cool. Hear that? Those are the lungs of a drug addict. Okay? I'm trying to get help. Only God can help me though, that's the problem. And he's fucking busy. He's got other things to worry about. About fucking Jimmy, like bigger things than Jimmy Fallon hacking darts. Illegal darts. Whew. All right, so I might be coming up. Oh, this is a brand new build. They put this up fast. Nueva Pluga. What the fuck that is? I should know. Real estate, it's my business to know. But I'm subsisting here just like I did in Canada. Oh my God, I gotta stop doing such honest broadcasts when I've had a couple of Cuba Libres. That shit is strong, man. 2 shots, I've had 2 drinks. Oh, there's my Un Capital. Ah, shit. I went all the way down the street and I just could have, it's right across from Plan B. Why is Plan B closed? Well, because it's late. All right, I think I'm almost at my destination. Just wanted to check in and explain, or did I go past the place? No, it'll be really loud. It's got to be up here. I passed it when I came back from the beach the other day, and the music was cranking. And DJ Blade is doing a set there tonight. And either way, if I'm not coming up on it. No! Gracias, amigo. I did meet a couple cool motor coach guys last night. I gotta stop giving my numbers out to these guys, though. Nothing good can come from it. Okay, maybe I'll do another shot. Hang on. See? I'm almost getting run over. Where's my bar? I've been here. Where's my bar? The location I'm looking for, did I walk by it? No, I couldn't have. VIP? Gracias, amigo. I'm going the right way. It's a little bit better light resolution, I think, also when I use the front camera, even though the mic, I think, is pointed towards me. So, and because I walk like a madman everywhere, well, I don't know, I only know one way to walk mostly. If I'm not in pain, I'm grooving. By the time I get there, I'm a fucking big fat sweaty mess. Hola. This is my new bank. Banco Santa Cruz. I can hear the VIP. So yeah, I'll splice it all together. See what I see? So I'm still wearing the same shirt I was when I went out today. And I don't even think I showered today. I went to the office and didn't even fucking... Usually I take like 3 showers a day because I'm out walking. I didn't get too heated up today, but this is my place. But I'm heated up now. Ooh, what's that smell? Is that the sewer? Oh no, it's me. I'm kidding. All right, maybe we'll go for, you can't even get down to the ocean. I mean, this is it. This is usually where I get my juice cups out here, my fruit cups. And that's VIP, I'm pretty sure.
¡Activa! ¿Cómo que dice?
DJ Blade.
Bring that ass back like a boom, 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 boom.
Díselo. ¿Se lo digo yo? Mami,
A mí me gusta tu descendencia entera.
¿Por qué?
Porque ella me da.
La mamá de 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 la mamá.
Bien larga, sí.
Mamá de la mamá.
Larga.
La mamá de la mamá de la mamá de la mamá de la
Una de 45 minutos para que se deshidrate.
Dude, can you see that moon? It's not full, but it's not even close to full. But Banco Santa Cruz takes you only 1 hour and a half to set up a bank account there. Don't forget your vaccine passport and your medical mask. A gator will not do. Medical mask only. So I'm getting palm leaves in my pot. Alright. Tighten it up, coming out of VIP Lounge. They're not on Facebook, I guess, only Instagram. Who cares? I think I just saw my first Asian guy here. Maybe second. Maybe including women, 5. Okay. Oh, here's my boy. This is the first barbershop to cut my hair. This guy. Cello. Hola. How are you? Good. Yeah. Cello. He cut my hair. He came out on the he was on the sidewalk. Well, I'm finally starting to get my first glitch in my iPhone. 2.5 years in. Yeah, it just keeps freezing. That's shitty. What the fuck? Is it quiet out here for a minute? Wow. It's like the quietest it's ever been in Dominican Republic. Anyways, I'm gonna piece this all together. It's gonna be called Jim Fannon's a Drug Addict. And the only reason I left the house is because my addiction forced me to. My addiction for El Capital. Oh, even the Tiki Hut's closed. It's only like 11 o'clock. Some of the places close early down here. So now you got all you need to know. If you don't admit you have a problem or don't recognize you have a problem, you don't have a problem. I have a problem. I have several problems, but the most immediate issue I need to deal with, I'm gonna give myself one more day. Drug addiction. You think that's funny? Let's see. This is the kind of shit that goes on, man. They pass like anywhere down here. I had a car for a few weeks because a friend of a friend was leaving the country, and I got to be in the care and control of his vehicle for 3 weeks for chipi. Piquito pesos. Un piquito dinero. Un poco. And I did not get in an accident. I did not kill anyone, nor was I killed. See? Anyways, I'm going to edit this together later. It'll be called Jim Fannon is a Drug Addict on the Streets of Sosúa. I thought I was done, but I guess I'm back. 3 rum and cokes in, and a pack of cigarettes in my paquito. This is where my boy Ray, remember I shot that video the other day with my boy Ray on the side of the road? Well, this is where we hang out. This is where I eat coconut. And usually crossing the street is very dangerous. But it's 11 o'clock at night and it's not too bad right now. And my sciatic's starting to flare up. So before I record myself getting, homicided on the side of the road by some motocoach, I'm gonna say goodbye again, but I'll probably just be back in a minute. Oh no!